All right, so now that I've done the interior elevations, I want to show you an example of what that might look like. So I did an interior elevation of my kitchen, as well as my master bath. I'm going to move on to another tough one that a lot of you may not know. I'm going to focus on schedules. So schedules, there's going to be 3 schedules that I'm going to look for each of you to create. Let's go ahead and look at that. It's gonna be the window schedule, door schedule, room schedule. You can't really do this till you're done with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the schedule section. I'm gonna create a new schedule. I'm gonna start by selecting a new room schedule. Go to rooms, room schedule, click OK. From here, I'm gonna bring in the 4 things I wanted to create. So I'm going from the bottom up. So I'm gonna go ahead and say, I wanna see the name. I wanna see the level and the area. So I'm going to bring those in. I'm going to put them in the order I asked for them. So if I want the level to move up, I'll do that. Wall finish last. Looks good. I'm going to sort it so that it goes by the name, we'll say. And then other than that, I think we're good. I'm ready to go ahead and populate that. And this right here is where it'll tell me the level, name, and area of each of the rooms. The wall finish I'll come back to later. That's not going to be important. I just want to see that you know how to do that. But I'll go ahead and show you in a later video how to go ahead and infill that. This should be the square footage of your entire house. But again, you may have missed the room, so it's not quite accurate. This is where you're going to want to do the area plan as referenced in a prior video. Okay. So now I'm ready to go ahead and move on to the door and window schedule. I'm going to do exactly the same thing, except this time I'm going to go ahead and create a window schedule. I'm going to go ahead and again bring in the things I asked for. So here we see that room isn't actually one of the options. So where is it? It's in the room data. So I'm looking for room name. There it is. I'm looking for with height and family. So family, width, and height. There we go. So family should be last. So I'm going to move that to the bottom. I'm going to sort it based on the name. Click OK. And we've created a group. When we say from room name, it means what room is it contained in. If it doesn't have something there, it means that it's maybe in between a room or not clear where it's from. So this says room 2. I'm curious which room 2 is. Ah, I see. It's there. There might be some windows that aren't quite clear where they're leading to or what room they're in. So maybe that's part of the explanation. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do exactly the same thing. Once I'm done with the door schedule, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab them, bring them in, and then I'll go ahead and put the room schedule, the window schedule, and eventually the door schedule. You're gonna be assessed on being able to create these schedules with the appropriate categories. Some things may not be filled in completely. I'm really looking for the fact that you have this skill in order to be able to do so. So that's it for schedules. I'm going to move on to creating the next document, which is going to be the building section on the next one. Thanks for watching.